Here's another one about, it's a whole separate one where I talked about should I get a master's degree. So another video, somebody asked, should I get a master's degree in cybersecurity? And John asked, so Western Governor University or National University cybersecurity master's program, which of these two do you guys favor and why? All right, so I'd probably go with the Western Governors University just because I know what it is. That's not to say anything bad about the National University. I don't know. I just don't know anything about National University cybersecurity. But what do you guys think about that? Do you guys have any reason why you would choose one or the other? Western Governor University was one that I've actually considered doing. I think I went even as far as like registering to take their master's program, and they were pushing really hard to get more military people in Western Governors University, and I knew a few people who took their course and had nothing but positive things to say about it. They were all military people, so that's why I just was word of mouth. I just know more about it, and it seems it's because people have said so many positive things about Western Governor University. I would have chose that one. And then I actually ended up doing a lot of research for them when I was thinking about taking it. I don't know anything about National University for Cybersecurity Master's Program, but that's just me. What do you guys think about that? I mean, I know that some people actually would know the difference between the two. Tell me in the comments below what you guys think about the differences between the two. Which one would you choose?